Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. With all the drought-tolerant landscaping we have here in the desert Southwest, it's sometimes hard to find ways to keep our yards cool in the summer. The first and most logical choice would be shade trees, properly placed to shade and cool our outdoor living areas. There are some very good examples of drought-tolerant trees that we've already talked about, such as acacia, desert willow, eucalyptus, palo verde, and mesquites. Trees such as these can help block or filter the hot summer sun to offer us and our plants some relief. But what about those areas in your yard where trees may not be an option? Space limitations, architectural or landscape compatibility, or even allergy problems can limit the use of trees. So if you're looking for an alternative to cool and shade your outdoor patio or living area, check out these options. Shade cloth or shade screening, like the products from Coolaroo, are specifically manufactured to help protect us and our plants from the harmful effects of the hot summer sun. This material is available in different colors and different shade densities depending on what your needs are. The fabric was designed to allow cooling breezes to pass through while repelling heat and the harmful effects of UV rays. This shade cloth can attach to any framework made of wood, metal poles, or wire cables. It's easily attached with the appropriate fasteners that can be purchased with the shade cloth. For temporary shade to cover small areas such as a vegetable or herb garden, you can use a PVC frame that can be easily moved around your yard. Another option is a refreshing outdoor misting system that can reduce temperatures on your patio or other garden areas up to 20 degrees. You can buy one of these 3/8-inch outdoor mist cooling systems that includes everything you need for 12 feet of misting coverage. The system uses slip-locked fittings that assemble in minutes with no gluing or special tools required. The brass and stainless steel mist nozzles actually rotate for easy direction of the mist. We also sell all the parts you need to build your own system out of PVC pipe and couplers that have the mister built right into them. Your irrigation system is the most important gardening tool you have for the summer in the desert. Star Nursery is your local irrigation supply headquarters. We have the largest selection of sprinkler parts for any repairs or installation. And remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.